Hello everyone, this is Sherry. Welcome to watch our video about our project in GIS programming class taught by Dr. Ames at BYU. And our topic today is to design a GIS application called Mining Explorer using Visual Studio, C#, and Dot Spatial. The aim of this application is to allow the user to import a DEM file of a potential mining location and draw a polygon representing a proposed mining cut. And it can compute the volume of the material and create an updated DEM showing the cut and showing the rise elevations in the locations where the material is placed. You can see this little mining car is the icon of our application. Now I will introduce our application, the interface of our application. In the interface, we have 5 different things: the menu strip, the tool strip, and the legend area, the map area, and the status strip at the bottom. First, we look at the menu. The user can create, save, open a project. And in the layers, the user can add a layer, a raster layer, or remove a layer. In the view, the user can view the elevations of the maps and zoom in, zoom out, and other basic map operations. In the insert, the user can create a cut polygon and create a fill polygon. And the last is a calculator. It is used to cut a raster file and calculate the volume. And we also create some buttons in the tool strips for easy access. Now I will give you an example to show how this application works. First, we add a raster layer. You can add a layer through the Add Layer in the menu, or you can just click on the blue plus button. This is a simple raster file we download from the website. We can see the elevation range of the DEM file, and the unit is meter. And we can also see the coordinates of the map at the bottom. Next, we will draw the cut polygon. We will click the button. Then we can draw the polygon by clicking on the map and double-click it to finish it. Then we draw the fill polygon. We click the green hill button, and the same way we click on the map and double-click to finish it. And you can see the polygons you created in the legend, the fill polygon and the cut polygon. Then we have to specify the elevation you want to cut. You can just type the number in the mining elevation box here. The unit is meter 2, and we try 2500 meters. Then we click on the calculator button to cut a raster and calculate the volume you have cut. This message box is a total cut volume. And you can also notice that there is a new raster file named fill raster in the legend. It shows the file after cutting and filling. Then we click the View Elevation button. Then you can see both previous elevations and new elevations on the map. And look at the cut polygon area. We can notice that a new elevation is all 2,500 meters. And that's all. Now, Drew and Matthew will introduce how our code of this project organized.
Hello everyone, this is Julie. I'll go through the code. Okay, let's open the main code file, view code. So for each reading, we grouped our code into different code blocks. I will demonstrate the first four blocks. So the first part is add and remove layers. We just use the internal dot spatial internal functions to achieve this. And the second part is zoom in, zoom out pan, some basic GIS operations. Also, we just use the dot spatial internal functions. And the third part is how to create a cut and fill polygons. First, when user click on the button to activate the cut feature, we set the flag to true. Then later the mouse moving callback functions can capture all the user motions. Similar, when the user click on the fill button, it do the same thing. It's also we set the flag to 1. It means the user is create the cut polygon, and when we set the flag to 2, that means the user is drawing a fill polygon. Also, you can see that this two function is the callback function for the to trip button, and this to function is for the menu strip button. So we simply call the above functions to reuse the code. The first part is the callback function for all the mouse movement. Let's look into the map main click. When user click on the map, when the user click on the map, we will transfer the current position of the mouse cursor to the update feature function. The update feature function, first it will transfer the mouse cursor position into geographic coordinates, and then we use this geographic coordinates. We record this geographic coordinates into a point collection, and when user click on the map a second time, we save another point, and then we got a list of all the points that will comprise of the polygon. And when the user double click the mouse, it will finish the drawing. When the user double click it, we simply use the point collection we got before to create a new polygon and add it to the map and display it. That's my part. Okay.
Hey guys, this is Matthew. Next part of our code It was about calculating the cut and the fill, and also viewing those cut and fill values on the map. So first to calculate, we establish 3 rasters with various variables. As you can see here, we're setting up all the variables. Move down here. Now we can get the cell size from here. So what this does is it takes the data we've previously inputted, the user has, and it makes the cut and it stores the information through these various loops. Let's see, let me move down here, and here we're creating the new raster which has the cut and the fill on the map, updating it. And over here, this is us calculating the volume of the cut over here. And then here we're projecting to the final layer. And then here we have message boxes which read out what the volume of the cut is. And then this code represents mouse events. When you move the mouse, after you click on the view elevation, this code runs through and allows you to see the previous elevation shown here and also the new elevation of the raster. And that is our code for the modeling elevation. Thanks for watching.